They're hoping that he can finish off nicely here. 10-7. Hyder Ali is on strike. He will be looking to pick up a boundary. All important delivery from Shoaib Islam.
Oh, it's an excellent delivery. They're looking for a brace, and they should pick it up comfortably. Bangladesh needs to take wickets or keep it extremely tight here. A new man at the crease now will really put pressure. Who's going to bowl the final over? It looks like it. Question off. Shot ball. Oh, what a start.
The skipper doing the stuff in his own style.
Throughout this run. Bowles plays a big shot. Where's this? Man under it. Gone. Oh my. Twisting the tail. Bangladesh are still alive.
Have a look at this reaction from the crowd. Knowing that it's so much important for Bangladesh to pick up a wicket. But the first two deliveries, he's conceded nothing. And he's forced Sarfraz to hit in the air. And
plays a big shot. Hyder Ali on side. Scores. He's taken. Yes! Mamadullah's on a hat-trick. They want a check. Oh, is he gone? Oh my! It's going through the roof here at the Sharia Bangla. A twist in the tail.
what's happening? Something very special happening in favor of Bangladesh. They had to wait a long, long time. And has gone straight into the hands. He had to jump high in the air. Nazmul Hussain Shantan grabs it.
Edge of your seats, and that is exactly what of this encounter. Iftikhar Ahmed hasn't faced the delivery. Here we go. On a hat-trick, Mamadullah. Big shot. Where's this? Oh, Pakistan say you will not have it your way. That's gone a mile for 6.
He just smashed that down the ground, and the smiles finally breaks out in the Pakistan camp. They need 2 and 2 now. What an over this has turned out to be. It was a bold and a brave move from the skipper. A little bit further and gets the treatment 90 meters down the ground.
Oh, Iftikhar Ahmed, he settles all the nerves. The Iceman. Angle. Another big shot in the air. Gone! Oh my! I mentioned it, Atali Khan. All the viewers, another twist in the tail. It's going down to the...
It's going down the wire. Wicket number 3 for Mahmudullah. He wanted to launch it and finish it with a flurry, but this time he's dropped it over to Yasir Ali.
Pakistan needing 8 often hadn't bowled. He's picked up 3 wickets in the final over. Mohammad Nawaz is on strike. 2 are required of 1. Coming round the wicket. This is why we lay. It looks as if it's swaying in one direction and it's swaying.
I would have imagined this would happen in the last over. And he opts to bowl the last over.
Bowler picked it up and wasn't happy.
Ooh, that was close, wasn't it?
Very, it was a late move. There we go. Strap in. Oh dear. Oh, man.
Approach to pick up the ball. Just relax, take a nice breather here.
There we go again. He bowls down the wicket. Through the offside. Nawaz. He gets away. They get out of jail. Bangladesh. Wow. I take my hat off to Mamadullah. I take my hat off to you, sir. Bowl your only over in the game. Pick up 3 wickets. You go for 10. Pakistan win nonetheless by 5 wickets. But what a game of cricket.
Went down to the wire, didn't it?